First up, take a look at this channel right here. They've only uploaded 28 videos so far, but look at that subscriber count, over 110,000. This channel focuses entirely on 2D documentary-style videos, and almost every single upload pulls in hundreds of thousands of views. Some of them have even cracked the million mark. Take this video for example. It was uploaded just 2 months ago, and it's already sitting at 3.2 million views. I'll let you guys do the math on how much revenue 3.2 million views brings in. And don't go thinking this was some lucky algorithm push. This video hit 2.9 million, and this one hit 2.1 million. And get this, that last one was uploaded just 10 days ago. Plus, there are plenty more on the channel sitting well over 1 million views. So I don't think I need to explain just how massive the potential is in this specific niche. But let me make one crucial point right off the bat. This is not some trend-based channel that's only getting views because of a temporary hype train. This is a purely evergreen niche. That means you put in the work to make and upload a video once, and it's going to keep pulling in views for months or even years down the line. Now, I know exactly what you're thinking. You're thinking you need to learn complex animation software to make these 2D documentary videos. Honestly, you don't. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate these exact types of videos entirely from scratch, using 100% free AI tools. Before we dive in, let's quickly map out exactly what we're going to cover. First, we'll tackle topic generation, because a strong concept is what actually decides if a video goes viral or not. Once we have a topic, we'll move on to scripting, which is arguably the most important step in this entire process. After the script is locked, I'll show you how to generate a clean, professional AI voiceover. From there, we'll break down how to craft the perfect image and video prompts. Next up, we'll walk through the entire editing pipeline. And finally, I've got 2 huge bonuses for you. I'm going to teach you how to design a high click-through thumbnail and how to optimize your SEO. A lot of tutorials out there will show you how to make the video, but they completely ignore the packaging and ranking. Not here. You're getting the complete blueprint, so do not skip ahead. Let's get right into it. To kick things off, we need a killer topic. To get that, just open up my provided Google Doc and copy this very first prompt right here. This one is specifically engineered for topic generation. Once you've got that copied, head over to ChatGPT. Go ahead and paste the prompt right into the chat. But wait. Before you hit send, look at the number written right here. You'll want to delete that and replace it with however many topic ideas you actually want. For this example, I'll just type in 10. Once that's set, hit send. ChatGPT is instantly going to generate 10 highly optimized topics you can build a video around. Now, if you aren't feeling any of these initial ideas, no stress at all. Just type the word more and hit send again. ChatGPT will immediately generate a fresh batch of concepts. You can keep doing this until you strike gold. For now, I'm just going to select this topic right here. And just like that, our ideation phase is done. Next up, scripting. I've actually built a custom prompt for the scripting phase too. Jump back into that Google Doc and copy the second prompt. Once you have it, we're actually going to head over to Claude AI. Why Claude? Simply put, when it comes to long-form creative writing, Claude consistently outperforms the rest of the AI models. I highly recommend making it your go-to. Once you're in Claude, just paste the prompt. Before we run it though, we need to tweak 2 quick variables. First, find where it says Insert Title Here and replace that with the exact topic we just grabbed from ChatGPT. Right below the title, you'll see an option for duration. This is where you dictate the target length of your video script. I'll type in 5 minutes for this one. Once you've swapped out those 2 fields, go ahead and run it. Claude will immediately start drafting out a highly engaging script. And hey, while that's generating in the background, take a quick second to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. All right, our script is fully written and ready to go. That wraps up the scripting phase. Moving on to the next step, generating our AI voiceover. For this, you're going to copy the entire script we just created and head over to the Google AI Studio website. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the text-to-speech and music option. From there, make sure you select this specific model down below. That'll bring you to an interface that looks like this. First things first, switch the setting to single speaker audio. Once that's set, drop your entire script right into this main text box. Now head back over to Claude AI for a second. You'll notice Claude actually generated some specific style instructions tailored for Google AI Studio. Copy those instructions, flip back to Google AI Studio, and paste them straight into the style instructions box. Finally, select the voice profile from the drop-down menu at the bottom and hit Run. Your audio will start synthesizing. Just a heads up, if your script is on the longer side, this could take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's done rendering, just go ahead and download the audio file. And boom, our voiceover is officially locked in. Let's move on to the next step, generating our image and video prompts. To get those prompts, hop back into the Google Doc and copy the third prompt. I designed this one specifically to reverse engineer visual prompts from our script. Head back to ChatGPT and paste it in. But before you hit send, find the placeholder that says paste script here and replace it with your entire finalized script. Let me just paste mine in real quick. All right, once that's in, hit run. ChatGPT is now going to analyze the context of our entire script. Now, to actually extract those visual and video prompts, we're going to feed ChatGPT our script paragraph by paragraph. Every time you feed it a block of text, it will output the exact visual prompts you need. Let me show you the workflow. I'll jump into Claude AI, copy the very first paragraph, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit run. Instantly, ChatGPT generates both an image prompt and a video prompt, along with a few extra details. Let me break down what you're looking at. First, it repeats the exact script line you gave it and calculates the estimated voice duration for that specific line. Below that, you get the prompt for shot 1 starting with a duration timestamp. Why is this important? Because this exact duration is what you need to match later on the editing timeline. Underneath that, it shows the script line again just to keep your assets organized. Then we get the actual image prompt optimized for Whisk AI, which we'll use in a second. And right below that, the video prompt engineered for VO 3.1 Lite. Now, you might be thinking, I've heard of VO 3.1 Fast, but what is Lite? In case you missed it, Google just quietly rolled out a brand new model called VO 3.1 Lite. The massive advantage here is that it's incredibly credit efficient, which I'll show you during the generation phase. Just hang tight. All right, I'm going to quickly feed it the rest of the paragraphs and extract all the prompts. Awesome, I've got all the image and video prompts for the entire script. Now it's time to actually generate the visuals. For the static images, I'm going to be using Whisk AI. Go ahead and copy that very first image prompt and open up the Whisk AI website. Once you're in, just paste the prompt directly into the prompt box and make sure you set the aspect ratio to landscape. After that, hit run. Your image will be generated in a matter of seconds. For the second image, it's the exact same workflow. Head to ChatGPT, grab the second prompt, and paste it into Whisk. But here's a pro tip. Before you hit run, click on this option right here and lock the seed number. By locking the seed, we guarantee that the visual style remains perfectly consistent across every single generation. Give me a second while I generate the rest of the batch. All right, take a look. All the base images are generated. Go ahead and download them one by one. The image phase is done. Now let's bring them to life and generate some video. To generate our video clips, I'll be using Flow AI. You can just search for Flow AI and open their main site, or simply click on the Try Flow button to jump straight into the app. Once you're on the dashboard, click on New Project. That'll bring you to an interface that looks like this. To start generating, click on this plus icon and upload that first image we just made. Now, if you click right here, you'll open up the settings panel. Let me walk you through exactly how to configure this. First, make sure this is toggled to video. Next, select the frames option and leave the aspect ratio strictly at 16:9. Crucially, keep the output set to 1. If you bump this up, you'll burn through your credits instantly. Now, if you open this dropdown, you'll see 3 different AI models. The first one is VO 3.1 Lite, which is the one I was hyping up earlier. If you use this model, it only costs 10 credits per generation. If you bump up to VO 3.1 Fast, it doubles to 20 credits per video. And that last option, VO 3.1 Quality, if you select that, it drains 100 credits in a single generation. Do not even touch it. Stick to VO 3.1 Lite. It is easily the best option right now. With that selected, grab your first video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it right in here, and hit run. Your video will start rendering. While we wait on that, take a second to drop a like and subscribe. All right, look at that. The video's done. To save it, just click right here to download. Now, just repeat this process to build out all your videos. If you happen to run out of credits, just log in with a secondary email address to grab a fresh batch. And hey, if you burn through those too, I actually just made a video covering 5 completely free AI video generators. You can watch that later. I'll link it in the description. So, the asset generation phase is completely wrapped. Next step, editing. Editing this together is actually easy. Go ahead and open up CapCut. First, drop your generated voiceover right onto the timeline. Once the audio's in place, start importing your video clips one by one, syncing them up perfectly with the voiceover. If you get confused on which clip goes where, just tab back over to ChatGPT. Since ChatGPT gave us the exact duration for every single clip alongside the script, you can just use that as your editing blueprint. Give me a quick second to lay out all these clips. All right, all the clips are perfectly synced. Next up, we need to smooth things out with some transitions. Click on the transition option, navigate to the overlay section, and select the black fade effect. Add it in, and then hit apply to all. This ensures a clean, uniform fade across every single cut. Finally, you just need to drop in a solid background music track. You can easily find great royalty-free music in the YouTube audio library or over on Pixabay. And honestly, that's it. Your core video is ready. Of course, you can spice it up further by adding text, graphics, or extra effects. Do whatever fits your style. Once you're happy with the final cut, just go ahead and hit export. While that video is exporting in the background, let's jump into thumbnail design. Head back to the Google Doc one more time and copy the 4th prompt. Honestly, engineering this specific prompt took me the most time out of everything. Right below that prompt in the doc, you'll see a Google Drive link. Simply click on it. It'll open up a folder containing a few reference thumbnails. Go ahead and download every single one of them. Once they're downloaded, flip back to ChatGPT and paste the prompt. Locate the Paste Topic Here placeholder and swap in your specific video topic. Once you've done that, upload all of those reference thumbnails you just grabbed directly into the chat window. Let me drop those in real quick. Once everything is loaded up, just hit run. ChatGPT is going to hand you an insanely detailed image generation prompt. Copy that new prompt and let's head over to Gemini. Why Gemini here? I'll explain in a second. First, make sure you select the Create Image option and ensure you're using the Pro mode. Paste your prompt in and hit run. Gemini will start crafting your thumbnail. Now, the reason I switched to Gemini here is that Whisk AI was throwing a policy error when I tried generating these styles. Gemini bypassed that completely. You can definitely test it in Whisk first, but if it flags you, just build it in Gemini. Look at that result. Our thumbnail is ready, and it perfectly matches that Annie doc aesthetic. Go ahead and download it. You'll notice a tiny Gemini watermark, but you can easily wipe that out using any basic watermark remover app. And just like that, the thumbnail is secured. All right, we've reached the absolute final step, SEO optimization. Jump back into the Google Doc one more time and copy the last prompt. Paste it straight into ChatGPT. Locate the Paste Full Script Here section and paste in your entire finalized video script. With that in place, hit run. ChatGPT will run a deep analysis on your script and output 3 highly optimized title variations while explicitly telling you which one has the highest click-through potential. Below that, it generates a complete algorithm-friendly description, and at the bottom, it hands you all the relevant tags to plug in during your upload. So, in this video, I just broke down the entire end-to-end process for generating a viral 2D documentary. If any step was confusing, just go back and watch that section again. You'll get it. Now, let's talk about where you can get that Google Doc. Look, engineering all these prompts took a massive amount of time and effort, so I have a small favor to ask. Let's get 200 likes on this video. The second this video hits 200 likes, I will drop the Google Doc link straight into the description. Until then, definitely click on the video popping up on your screen right now. That's the one where I review the top 5 free AI video generators. And hit the comments below. Let me know what topic you want me to cover in the next video.